Assalamu alaikum all.
Hi everyone, let's talk about fashion. Clothes are so fun. They let you show your personality. You can be stylish, you can be bold. Do you love looking at clothes online? Me too. Do you have a favorite store? I do. Today we're going to learn some cool new words about clothes. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, let's talk about killer clothes. Have you heard this before? Don't worry, it's a good thing. Killer clothes make you look and feel fantastic. They are super stylish. Imagine you see your friend at a party. They have on an amazing new outfit. You can say, "Wow, you look killer in that outfit." See, it's a compliment. Now, let's talk about smart clothes. These aren't just any clothes, they are the future of fashion and technology combined. These clothes are super cool. Imagine wearing something that not only looks stylish but also has incredible functionalities built into it. They are like something from a science fiction movie. Think about the possibilities of having clothes that can interact with your environment and respond to your needs. Smart clothes can do amazing things. From monitoring your health to enhancing your daily activities, the potential is limitless. Some can track your steps or even charge your phone. How cool is that? Imagine never having to worry about your phone running out of battery while you're on the go. Imagine a jacket that changes color with the weather. It could turn darker when it's sunny to protect you from UV rays, or become lighter when it's cloudy to keep you visible. Or pants that adjust to your size. That's smart clothes. No more worrying about finding the perfect fit. Your clothes will adapt to you, providing ultimate comfort and style. Some smart fabrics can even regulate your body temperature, keeping you cool in the summer and warm in the winter. The future of fashion is here, and it's smarter than ever. What's the difference? Killer clothes versus smart clothes. So, what's the difference between killer clothes and smart clothes? Let's dive in and explore. Killer clothes are all about style. They are designed to make a statement, to turn heads, and to make you stand out in a crowd. They make you look and feel confident. When you wear killer clothes, you exude a sense of self-assurance and poise. On the other hand, smart clothes are about technology. These garments are embedded with advanced features that can enhance your daily life. They can do cool and helpful things, like monitoring your health, adjusting to temperature changes, or even connecting to your devices. Imagine a shirt that tracks your heart rate or a jacket that keeps you warm in the cold. But here's the exciting part. You don't have to choose between style and technology. You can have both. Fashion and function can coexist beautifully. You can wear killer clothes that are also smart clothes. Picture a stylish jacket that not only looks great, but can also charge your phone on the go. The future of fashion is here, blending the best of both worlds. Use your new words. Today you learned two new words: killer clothes and smart clothes. These terms are not just about the garments themselves, but about the confidence and attitude they bring. Now it's your turn to use them. Next time you see someone looking amazing, tell them they have killer clothes. It's a great way to make someone's day and acknowledge their sense of style. Compliments can go a long way in building connections and spreading positivity. And keep an eye out for smart clothes in the future. They are going to be everywhere. Smart clothes are not just stylish, but also functional, incorporating technology to make your life easier. Imagine clothes that can adjust to temperature changes or even charge your devices. Fashion is about having fun and expressing yourself. It's a form of art that allows you to showcase your personality and creativity. Whether you're dressing up for a special occasion or just for a regular day, your outfit can tell a story. So go out there and rock your style. Embrace the new words you've learned and use them to enhance your fashion vocabulary. Remember, fashion is not just about following trends, but about making them your own. Be bold, be confident, and most importantly, be yourself. Fashion fun fact. Did you know that the world's oldest piece of clothing is over 5,000 years old? It's a linen dress found in Egypt. Amazing, right?